I've been in your waters.
Hello and welcome to part 2 of the A8 project. If you haven't already, please check out part 1 where I introduce the car and some of its issues. This episode is a tutorial where I show you how to remove the fuel pump assembly from an Audi A8 T2, with the next episode being a replacement of the fuel pump. If you are only interested in the final result of getting this car back on the road, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification to keep up to date with the future non-mechanical videos. Hello, I'm in the back of the Audi A8. I'm going for this fuel pump today. As you can see, these connections aren't great. It's showing wires. If you've got fuel here, if you've got electric running through this, it's not very good, is it? I've got my phone here as a torch because it's quite dark in the back of here. First things first is I'm going to pull out this electrical connection. Then I'm going to pull out this fuel line. Then I'm going to get rid of these two, and then hopefully the unit should come out. I actually found this in the car, which is the old, I'm guessing, fuel pump, because it sounds like it's full of crap. I'm guessing it's not supposed to sound like that. I need to find out whether they put a brand new one in. If they haven't, then obviously I could do with just replacing it, so I need to find that out. Whoa, that fuel is in all of this electric. Surely that's really dangerous. Look at that in there. It is soaked through. Potentially that would be the reason why this isn't starting. I can't believe that this thing hasn't gone bang. I'm pretty sure that electric fuel, that is not very smart. I'm going to undo this one as well. I'm going to undo this Jubilee clip. It's quite loose anyway, to be honest. That's where the fuel's coming from, by the way. It's kind of out of this because the connection's not very good. There we go. Come out. There we go. Oh, don't want to lose that down there. A socket. Perfect size for that, but I don't have one for that, so I will have to just do that by hand. Damn, it's tight in here. Oh, it's not a very good design. The thing is, in the A8, the seats don't go down the back. That gives me hope. There we go. All I've got on me are these. Oh. No, I don't think I'm going to be able to do that. Oh, look at those. This is why I took the rest out beforehand, because it allows you to have a bit more of an angle on this here. On this one there's a washer as well, so just be mindful of that. There we go. That one's off. Next thing we need to do is I use these here, and they fit quite nicely. Put them in and slightly to the right. There we go. Take that off slowly. That's the cap off. There's the spring. Put it out slowly because it's going to have fuel in it. In fact, I might use this towel here. There we go. And to take that out the way for a minute, I just need to get this black surround off because that's what holds the unit in place. I'm going to very gently tap on here to try and budge it. Don't want to snap any of these pieces off because then it makes it harder for next time. This piece is now coming out on its own. Right, that now. There we go. There we go. It lifts off after you've unscrewed it a bit. And I think this should just come out. One thing I should point out is that this needs to go back in the same way, so it's always worth marking exactly where it was. It was pretty much like that for me, with that one facing to the right, and to be honest, this line here is pretty much lined up with this. Try and get this out now. This should just pull straight out. I'm going to move some of this smaller stuff because you don't want any of that going in, because that is your fuel tank. This should really just pull. It's a bit of a funny shaped thing, so just take your time. There we go, it's coming out. It's definitely a funny shape. How in the hell am I going to get this out? I do not know. There we go. Give it a bit of a twist, that helps. well, there you go. It's coming, it's coming. Oh yeah. Just remember, this will have fuel. There we go. She is out. What you want to do now is cover that over because you don't want any crap going into your fuel. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, comment and subscribe if this helped you out. Next time we will be looking at removing and replacing the fuel pump and then reinstalling the fuel assembly unit. Thank you, stay safe, have a good day.